main objective of the company is to deliver quality service.
When we started Excel Travel, we knew that we were competing with companies that have been in the industry for years and years, and it was very important in order to be different and offer something special, and we had to be creative in our offerings.
Our staff are multilingual. They speak French, Spanish, English, and German.
In order to be able to give a proper service, we have to listen to customers and proact to make sure that we are delivering on the expectations.